Guys, Kostas here with Opa Greek Tavern. We're actually out here in the eye of the storm. Hurricane Gordon making landfall in the next few hours. It is insane the amount of wind. The waves are picking up behind us. I know that this is all due to me not being at the restaurant, but taking a few days off for vacation. Poseidon is very, very upset. I gotta get out of here. I can't stay out here much longer. We'll report back to you guys at the restaurant.
Every night I'm going on the grid, texting back, I want you, hit you up, I'm on the other side, I miss you, miss you. Take you off, I came here way too strong, cannot keep it low key. Got me drugged, your pheromones hit the roof, auto, your taste. It's really a bad reception out there, where you heading? Why ain't gravity pulling you in closer to me?
Hey, what's going on, you guys? Kostas here. We're actually in Destin, Florida. Can you see me? Let me get your sunglasses on because it is going to be a fantastic week at the beach and we got to protect your eyes. So guess what? In years past, I've always gone to Walmart on the first day to pick up our groceries, but today, Whole Foods. I'm super excited. I'm going to spend way too much money, but this, to me, is like the best part of vacation is buying all the awesome groceries and cooking to my heart's content. So let's go in there and blow a lot of money together, all right? Some of the problems with working remotely is horrible Wi-Fi internet signals. This is where I grew up at, and right behind me is my old window. I lived in that tree. This is the old house, and it's so beautiful here. I can't believe we actually lived here for 2 years. It was actually a really great experience for me. That little patio right there doesn't look like much now, but man, back when I was a kid, it was a great time. Anyway. That's life, right? Life goes on. Life is always changing. But it's cool to come back and reminisce.
So you don't know what you're doing, and the walls are closing in. Just remember where we're going, and remember where we've been.
Is that good, Sophie? 3?
No, 4.
No, 3's good. All right.
And as long as we're together, it doesn't matter where we are. When the ocean's
Well, I thought this would be really a cool way to end the vlog. Spending the last morning here, one of these standing paddle boards. Pretty cool stuff. Destin, Florida, it was great. Got to spend a lot of quality time with my family and kind of got to reflect on the summertime and think a lot about the fall and what's coming up and all the things I want to do. I'm super motivated to put out a lot of great things for you guys. Not only on this vlog, but also for all my diners at the restaurant as well. Whoa, this thing is like wobbly. your first time watching, my name is Kostas. Make sure that you subscribe to our channel, hit that like button, ring the bell for notifications, that way you don't miss out on any future vlogs, and we will see you guys in the next vlog.